Juice box, boy.
What up, guys? Back at it. You know what it is. I'm in the Mamalona today. I'm with my boy Drewski. So we gonna go on a little vacation. You already know when I go out of state, I always come back with something new. In the beginning of the year, I got an M3. I went to Arizona. A couple months ago, me and my brother went to we went to Nebraska. Came back with a 300. And now we're going to motherfucking New Mexico. See where we come back. It's a little road trip. I'm filling up the F-150. I'm getting ready to head out. Hopefully God keeps us safe. It's blessed. I know God got us, so we'll be good.
Juice box, boy.
What up, guys? So I'm back at it. It's the boy. So we just came back from New Mexico. That shit was like 6 hours and a half drive from here to there. In total, it was like 13 hours. But I had to stop, get a couple rest breaks, put gas and all that stuff. So, and I ain't gonna lie, we left late, and I had to sleep too. So I'm running on like, I don't know, 2 hours, 3 hours sleep, if that. This motherfucker right here has been sleeping for like 8 hours and drove for 2 hours and been asleep for like 8-9 hours. Crazy. But so I got the S71 beadlocks for the Jeep SRT8. I feel like I needed a drag pack, especially with adding more boost. Right now it's at JNS. They're picking up the boost. It was just on 5 pounds, and we're going to 9 pounds. And we're gonna see how it does for a while, and then after that I'm gonna get ready to build the motor. We're gonna go pistons, rods, cam, etc. Right now I got the stock motor, so we get ready for that next year, but for right now it's all stock. And I got a good deal on these, you know, like these S71 welds beadlocks. They go with tires, you know, because they got good tires. I'm gonna show you guys when I'm done. I didn't get no footage in New Mexico because we got there like super late. We got there like at I want to say like 3 a.m. 3:30 a.m. Met the person up, paid, and just fucking left right away, you know. So finally woke up fucking 9 hours later. I'm gonna show you guys the wheels. Oh fuck. These are it. S71s, beadlocks. Drove all the way to fucking buttfuck Albuquerque for them. Fucking Drewski almost crashed. Nah, man, he just fucking crashed out the entire time, nigga. Alright, guys, what up? So today I'm gonna install the S71 beadlocks on the Jeep today. I still don't have my Jeep back from the shop. It's been having some issues with the ECU and stuff like that. But I'm just gonna go install them and take off the OEMs. I just want to get some footage of how it looks with the Jeep. So I'm gonna go right now. I'm gonna load them up in the Coyote, and then we're gonna head over there. So, and this tire setup, I don't know if I talked about that and the other stuff, but so these are 275s and 325s. So if you got a Jeep SRT8, you know a lot of them are staggered and this and that, but this is the setup to run. I know some people they will run a 305 all across, but a lot of the guys, I guess this is a normal setup, 275 in the front and 325 in the back, because you know we'll have issues with the transfer case and all that stuff. But this is the setup if you guys want to do it. If you have a drag pack and you're like, man, I don't know what to run, 275, 325. And this, I was told that these will only work with Race Master tires. That's what I was informed, that if you want to do a 275, 325 setup. It has to be the Race Master wheel tire. My bad. It has to be that tire. That's the only way. And then the other way is the 305 all around. But these are it. That's how it looks. I'm gonna show you all these different angles. So these are 17s all around. $325, $275. $325 in the rear, $275 in the front. S71 beadlocks. Wild racing wheels for anybody that's curious.